Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to our English class. Today we will study English Pre-Primer, chapter number 4, Sounds of Vowel E. Hen, pen, den, pack, net, pat, bed, leg, an, hen, a hen, at, gnat, a gnat, in, pen, a pen, at, pat, a pat, egg, leg, a leg, at, bed, a bed, and ten, a ten, and den, a den. Phonic drill. No more words with E sound. N, pen, hen, den, ten, yen, at, set, get, pet, net, jet, ed, let, fed, read, bed, wed, egg, leg, bag, cack, pack, egg. This is the picture of hen. This is the picture of bed. This is the picture of net. Let us learn. The hen is red. It lays 10 eggs. The hen is on the bed. John has a pet. It is wet. It is in the net. Ted is very good. He is on the bed. He has a net. Let's do the exercise. Read and write. 1. Match each picture with its correct word. Example, this is the picture of jet. This is the picture of bed. This is the picture of hen. This is the picture of leg. This is the picture of egg. This is the picture of net. 2. Fill in the blanks with vowels. This is the picture of hen. H-E-N. This is the picture of den. D-E-N. This is the picture of bed. B-E-D, bed. This is the picture of egg. E-double-G, egg. This is the picture of net. N-E-T, net. This is the picture of red. R-E-D, red. I hope you enjoy learning.